How to change cover on Bluesky. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your profile cover image on your Bluesky application. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Bluesky and make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, what you want to do is at the bottom, you will see different tabs like home, search, messages, notification, and then your profile. Just tap on your profile icon. And at the top of your profile, you will find this edit profile button. Just click on it. And here you have different options. You can change your display name. You can change your description. And if you want to change your cover picture, you just tap on this little camera icon at the right side of it, and you can either upload it from your camera or upload it from your library. I'm just going to upload a picture from my camera roll. So after selecting your image, what you can do is select which part of it you want to show. As you can see, the cover is not very big, so you will have to select a specific part that you want to show as your cover. And you can even zoom out a bit if you want, so that it fits the maximum area of your picture. So once you do that, once you are done scaling, just tap on done at the top right and the cover will be uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.